Hey everyone! Here's a quick and simple guide to opening a Lloyds Bank account as an international student. First, go to the Lloyds Bank official website, tap the menu icon, and choose Register for Online Banking. This is where your account setup begins. You'll need to register with a Lloyds account type like a student or classic account. Choose the one that best suits your needs. As an international student, make sure you have these ready: your passport, your BRP, proof of address, a university enrollment letter to confirm you're a student in the UK. Click register and fill out the form with all your personal details. Upload the required documents when prompted. That's it. Your application will be reviewed and your Lloyds account should be open soon. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.